This is my new dance floor. Hey, what's up guys? John Kashoni back here with Earthworks Project. Little local job here, so we don't have to travel so far for this one. Really nice. Homeowner gave us some plywood too, so if you guys have some old hurricane shutters, material you're not using or anything like that, let us recycle it because we can use it for our machine access and we won't charge you for it when we're doing your demo. So think about that. This project came to us from an internet, I believe, lead. Word of mouth, really strong in this neck of the woods here. These guys have been really cool to work with. You can see they've chopped away at some of their old pergolas and did a lot of the removal of the plants, the excavation of the soil, stuff like that before we got here. So we love that. Just some other things here that were unique. The problem here existed with the wood line that we have back here. So it's higher than our patio and our pool, and during rainstorms and things like that, everything would wash onto the patio. What we did was put a retaining wall behind the pool, 18 inches tall, to hold all that back. And then we're gonna add some tropical landscape behind it, because who doesn't like palms and tropical landscape behind your pool? So that's what will happen here, a total transformation though. And we've got some paver issues where the improper installation was done there. So that's something that we try to really strive for, to come in, fix the problem the right way. The customer's already had it done the wrong way, so let's do it right. Some of these areas right here where it's buckled and it's sinking and settling, that's from improper installation the first time around. So this patio should have 4 inches of crushcrete underneath it, which is to code, to ICPI standards, and it does not. You can really see it around the pool and the coping and everything. That's really the first area where it fails.
Good morning, Michael Oakes with Earthworks. Small little retaining wall. Homeowner thought they could take care of it themselves and decided a little bit too much. Calling professionals, come in and take care of their needs. As you see, we added the retaining wall. They wanted it 3 courses, but once we got the Robolinis in, we decided to go 2 courses with a cap, just because they don't want to take away from the greenery of the Robolini and, you know, incorporate it into the yard so it's not so much on the backside where you don't see nothing. We're adding the lights in today and also the caps later on after that. They give the finishing touches. We're also going to add in birds of paradise in between the Robolinis. With all backyard projects, you're always going to run into slight complications like pipes underground. We have a pool here in these areas. The pool likes to have drains, has pumps and all kinds of stuff that you can never see until you start digging. We ran into a couple complications over here, which are very minor for us. We run into this all the time. But for a homeowner, this might be a giant headache. So that's why you should just give us a call and we'll come take care of your needs. Well, my favorite part is actually the transition and the curve, how everything's super tight to the coping. And then also the existing pavers that were there, we cut out and we reused for the border, and it actually turned out very smooth. And then tying in with the right side here, just made everything come together and make it look beautiful.